I am very excited to call the one whom we are eagerly waiting for, who is also a member of VRR Maths Tuition family. He is none other than Arun Perumal sir, who studied in this tuition from 2005 to 2007. He also works as a senior software engineer in Bank of America. Please come in front, sir. Join us. Share his experience.
இங்கே மாட்டிக்கிடுங்க. சும்மா லைட்டாக அது இது
very happy there first of all. ரொம்ப happy serious-ஆ 2005 2004 9th and 10th and I'm proud and jealous, seriously. Proud எதுக்குன்னா எங்கள் பேட்ச்லாம் அக்கா முடிவு பண்ணாங்க we have to go only for maths. Till that we are going for all subjects. I am going for tuition for all subjects and akka diverted to going for only for maths with us. We are 2 members only. So my friend was Amuku. We both were in studying till 11th, but only for maths, not for any other subject. So in that aspect, we are very much proud of that akka choose the path to go with maths. And nothing with us. I am proud of nothing with us. We are simply a tool, that's it. And one more thing is proud is I will call always akka no. So that is also one more thing. We don't call us ma'am or miss, teacher like that. In that akka itself, it's everything is coming, and we also as a neighbor, not like a teacher or like. And to be very honest, she is a role model, mentor, everything. Still, I couldn't found the path where I have to go like that. But akka chose the path of taking maths as a career, not as a profession, as a career. She will always want to be a tuition ma'am. That's it. So he is very confident on that. And then jealous, I want to say why I was jealous. We don't have this atmosphere itself. You have a good atmosphere, right? You are sitting in a bench and you will have a board. Akka won't do it board and all for a, she will do it in the notepad itself and we grasp it. But and one more thing is that jealous is that she is conducting this show, you are participating. We don't have that exposure on that time. It won't. On that time, coming for tuition itself, it's a big task for me and all. I won't come.
யாருமே பிறந்திருக்க மாட்டாங்க, யாருமே பிறக்கல அந்த டைம்.
Akka will push me like anything to come. So in that aspect, I am very much proud, and I am also want to thank akka to doing like this thing like this and motivating you guys. So in this way, I am very much proud on that. And one more thing I want to talk about akka is that admirations. I admire always akka. To choose a path, you have to choose a path. This is the path, whatever it is. And I come from a small town called Thoothukudi. So same place, akka also born over there. And see, if I came here and I become a software engineer, and my friend who also studied with me with akka was become a mechanical engineer, and he is also in Coimbatore. So he did engineering, I did computer science. But we came in, I don't know, Chennai itself, we came. To be very honest, we don't know what is engineering itself by doing 10th and 12th. After in 12th leave only, we came to know there is engineering, there is a, we can go. But I didn't choose, my friend chose, we came. But see, akka, okay, 2000, after 2006 only she is getting married. She came to Chennai, she know, as a student, as a worker, I itself don't have no idea about Chennai, but akka came here and she have that passion always to have a tuition center and it has to expand like anything. She have that passion, she came to Chennai, same passion with same passion she explored, right? So that's still what I admire. Still I am thinking what to do, like that, and I have so many doubts, but still I admire akka for this. And next things for you guys, I want to share something like have a interest, whatever interest you have. Choose an interest. You will have another 4 to 5 years of college life. So in this period, choose an interest and work on that interest. I'm very happy that he is taking photograph. Right? He is a student of Akka. His interest is some other thing, but he's taking photos like that. And she have some other profession. She will go into some other things, but she is conducting this event and she have some interest on that. She may go so like that. Have an interest in you. Work on that interest. Don't have interest. Work on that interest. But I don't have interest itself while I was there. Not it is not my mistake or it's not my parents' mistake. In that time it was the situation. So you have interest and work on that interest. So if you work means at least half an hour a day. In your college life you will have more time to explore many things. So have an interest, work on that. For example, now my interest is on to know Tamil in a vast manner. So and something writing something with mistakes, my wife will correct it and I will read it again and again. Okay. So have that interest. I catch up the interest at 27 years, but you guys please start it now itself and work on that interest. So it will help you in any manner. It will help you. And second point is that whatever things you do, ask WH questions. You know what is WH questions? So whatever things, ask the WH questions. What is your name? What is your name?
Sonal.
Sonal. Why? Sonal. So my name is Arun. Why Arun means I went the parents and asked why Arun. So this like my grandmother name is Avadayachi, so Arun. So there is a reason for everything. That is what I was trying to say. So ask WH question for whatever thing. Why this Ramanujam Day? Why? What? Whom? Where? Ask the WH question for whatever you do. Then only you will get some things in your life. Because why marriage? I want to ask why. If I am doing marriage, I want to ask why marriage. If I want to go to a job, why I am going for a job? What is the purpose? So ask WH question for whatever things you do. And that's all from my end. Okay, so I think it's 14 years happened. So very much seriously, I am very shy, and to be very honest, this is my first speech in front of this crowd. I won't know. I will be audience and I will be a good audience. I will be like that. But I am speaking because of Radhaka. So please, I can one more thing as I want to say that why mathematics. My chemistry sir வந்து சொல்லுவார் கிளாஸ்ல வந்து இப்போ அடுத்து ஃபிசிக்ஸ் சார் வருவார் அவர் வந்து சொல்லுவார் ஃபிசிக்ஸ் இல்லாமல் வேர்ல்டே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுவார் அடுத்து பயாலஜி சார் வருவார் அவர் வந்துட்டு பயாலஜி இல்லாமல் வேர்ல்டு இல்லாமல் அடுத்து மேக்ஸ் சார் வருவார் மேக்ஸ் இல்லாமல் வேர்ல்டு இல்லாமல் பட் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி சார் என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா இதோட காம்பினேஷன் தான் இந்த வேர்ல்டு எல்லாத்தோட காம்பினேஷன் தான் வேர்ல்டு தமிழ் இல்லாமல் இல்லை இங்கிலீஷ் இல்லாமல் எல்லா சப்ஜெக்டோட காம்பினேஷன் தான் வேர்ல்டு பட் ஆனால் எல்லாரும் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா மேக்ஸ் வந்தாருன்னா மேக்ஸ் இல்லாமல் வேர்ல்டு இல்லை பட் எல்லாத்தோட காம்பினேஷன் தான் நீ எவ்வளோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் கொடுத்தாலும் இதுதான் அக்கா என்கிட்ட ஆக்சுவலி எல்லாமே முடிச்சு எக்ஸாம் முடிஞ்சிடும் நாங்கள் குவார்ட்டர்லி ஆஃப் அலி தான் இருக்கோம் முடிஞ்சோடனே கேட்பாங்க சயின்ஸில் எவ்வளோ மார்க்கு தமிழில் எவ்வளோ எடுத்த இங்கிலீஷில் எவ்வளோ எடுத்த அப்போ எனக்கு தெரியாது அப்போ லைக் யூ ஓன்லி வி ஆல்சோ ஸோ வி டோன்ட் ஹவ் ஒய் அக்கா இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் அபவுட் அதர் சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் her thing is not maths, why she is asking other subjects, and I said right, I am proud. Her sisters also will on the same path, okay, same teaching path. They will come and ask, did they complete your syllabus, science syllabus, have you completed this subject like that and all. So you put your concentrated for all the subjects as like as mathematics. And since one more thing is that I am a computer science, I am in computer science area. You can say now the emerging technology is machine language and data science. You may heard about these words, machine language and data science. But when I went to that area, I am not into that area, but I heard and I was searching for that. I was doing some research and I am searching for in Google. Without maths, there is nothing. I am in computer science. I can say that maths, why maths? Just I can learn computer science. But without maths, we are using linear algebra concepts, calculus concepts, graphs. Okay, without graphs, nothing is there. If anyone is interested in cricket, you can see it will be always graphs. Whatever sports, always will be graphs. So extend your knowledge or extend your interest in one area, you can reach anything. That is one thing. So that's all from my end. Any questions from you, please you can raise. As I can, whatever it is. And one more thing, my hope is that where is she? Kyle, she wants to be as you. Sit here and I want to learn like that. And then she's just 2 years. So I hope that Akka will teach forever. And she will also come. I don't know whether she will be capable to come here or not. But I will use my influence and I will make her to be here. So, do you have any questions? எதுனாலும் கேளுங்க, என்னன்னாலும் கேளுங்க, என்னன்னாலும் கேளுங்க. அது ரொம்ப கூச்சமா இருக்கும் கொஸ்டின் கேட்க. என்னன்னாலும் கேளுங்க. And I want to mention that friend or that brother, he has some things in his mind. He has choose the colleges where he want to go, like that. Okay, like that you itself choose your colleges, your area of interest, whatever it is. You study whatever it is, engineering, doctor, whatever it is, but choose your interest. If you have interest for chemistry, always have till your end you have forever, and try to have some you itself find like that. He found some colleges to join, like that you yourself find some colleges to enroll yourselves, and you choose yourself, because our generation don't have that opportunity to choose ourselves. We want to have some others information to join, but now not like that. You have phone, internet, you choose yourself. Any questions? I if I said that it is be overrated. I am the first student. I hope I got sent in 10th because of Akka. To be on the other side, I was not that much interested or not putting that much effort like my friend who studied with me. Okay, he got 95, I got center. He always, now also he teases me. You came just like that to tuition and you got center and just 95. What is this? That is one memorable moment. So many memorable moments are there. I know about her father, brothers. My friend now, he has a memorable moment. He will come next year and he will share, but I am sharing him. Okay, he bought a bike bullet. Okay, he was very much interested to bought a bike bullet. Okay, but we have a reference for whatever it is. It is inside us. Appa used to have a bullet. The only person in our area used to have a bullet. We cannot start that bullet like easy. We have to do like, for that itself we have to eat more to start that bullet. Okay, but so we are inside a home, right? A home. If I ask in 10 years or 12 years back, what is your memorable moment? You can say, I know about your 2 kids. I know about her father. You know about her. So many memorable. Thanks for asking that question. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask. Whatever it is.
அந்த டைம்ல எல்லாம் இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததா டியூஷன்ல?
அதுதான் சார் எனக்கு பொறாமையா இருக்கு. கிடையாது. ஓகே, அக்கா their home furniture only, chairs it will come. Chairs முன்னாடி floor. Okay. Since we graded to 12th standard, we was awarded with chair. Okay, that's all, nothing else. Till that மழை வந்து தண்ணி விடும். ஓபன் chair. தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா அக்கா வந்து சாயங்காலம் க்ளீன் பண்ணி அந்த குப்பையை போட்டுட்டு அதை பொறுத்து வச்சா கொசு வராது. ஓகேவா? கொசு வரக்கூடிய கொசு கிடைக்கும்ல. ஸோ அந்த புகையில கொசு வராது, அதில் இருக்கும். நான் 2 நாள் டியூஷன் போக மாட்டேன். அவங்க அப்பா எங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு தேடி வந்துடுவாங்க. எதுக்கு வந்துருப்பா அப்படின்வாங்க. நான் 50% அக்காவுக்கு பயப்படுவோம், 50% அவங்க அப்பாவுக்கு பயப்படுவோம். வராட்டா அவங்க வந்துடுவாங்க வீட்டுக்கு. ஸோ அதுக்காக டியூஷன் போகணும். அந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டில் நிறைய மெமரபிள் மூமெண்ட் இருக்குது. நான் 98, ஐ எம் கன்ஃபார்ம் தட் ஐ வில் டேக் 98 in 10th. ஓகே, we used to discuss. I am not a first time student. I am a average student. Because of Akka, I was glorified in maths in my class. Okay, everybody came and discussed with me. How much you will get? How much you will? They want to be that I should not get more than them. It's a student friends nature. So I said I will get 98. They were happy. Appa, I was sent okay, that 2 mark, 2 mark. I have a doubt. Till now, I have a doubt how they gave me. I attended it. Okay, I attended it. My friend also have the same doubt. Everybody. Appuram paatha centum came. All that friends came to 11th batch and mocked me. ஏமாத்திட்ட, நீ 98 தான் இருப்பேன்னு 100 எடுத்துட்ட. Okay, so that is what. Any other things? Any questions? How many of you plan for engineering in future? Engineering, everyone, right?
Like to raise your hand.
Okay.
And
Okay. உங்களோட what you are going to choose? Architect. Be architect. உங்களுக்கு என்ன டிசைன்? நல்லா நீங்களே சூஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஓகே. பி சொன்னாங்க, பி இதுக்கு ஃபவுண்டேஷன் மேக்ஸ் இல்லாமல் ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. எப்படி சொல்கிறேன், பி நான் ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் இன்ஜினியராக சொல்கிறேன். எங்கள் டைமில் வந்து இப்போ வந்து நீங்கள் உள்ளே போகிறீங்க ஒரு ஷாப்புக்குள்ளே, உங்கள் ட்ரெஸ்ஸு உங்களுக்கு ஃபிட்டாக இருக்கா இல்லையா, ஓகேவா, அதை வந்து கேமராவில் ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துருவாங்களாமா. எடுத்து ஃபிட்டாக இல்லையான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, உங்கள் சைஸை எடுத்துகிட்டு ஃபிட்டாக இல்லையான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுக்கு ஃபுல்லாக மேக்ஸ் தான் போல சொன்னாங்க எனக்கு சாஃப்ட்வேர். ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ் ஒய் ஆக்சிஸ் அதெல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு ஓகேவா, அந்த ஷர்ட் வந்து கரெக்டாக ஃபிட் ஆகுமா இந்த பாடிக்கு, கொஞ்சம் வேணால் ஃபிட் ஆகாதா, ஓகேவா. ஸோ ஆனால் இப்போ நான் ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது ஐ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் தட், இட் இஸ் மேக்ஸ் ஆர் ஐ டோன்ட் ஹேவ், பட் automatically it will be in inbuilt, it will be in max. I am developing some reports, I will develop code எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு at last they will ask it should be in a graphical manner, it should not be in a numbers, graphs ஆ வரட்டும். அப்போ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக I will switch to graph. அப்புறம் கிராஃப்ஸ் நம்ம ஞாபகம் வரும், ஓகே இதுக்கு தான் கிராஃப்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அப்புறம் எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லைஃப்பில் எல்லாமே ப்ராபபிலிட்டி தான், ஓகேவா, எல்லாமே ப்ராபபிலிட்டி தான். இன்னைக்கு நான் இங்கே வரலாம், வராமல் இருக்கலாம், ஐ மே கம், ஐ மே நாட் கம். ஸோ எவ்ரி திங் இஸ் மேக்ஸ். ஸோ ஹாவ் அ குட் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் ஆன் மேக்ஸ் அண்ட் ஓவரால் 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் இதே வந்து தான் பேசுவேன், வேற எதுவும் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க, ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் அக்கா கூப்பிட்டு சும்மா சொல்கிறேன், வேற பேசலாம். இனி அது எங்கே படிக்கிறீங்க?
நான் இப்போ பிஎம் கோர்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அண்ணா நகர் அரினா யூனிவர்சிட்டி.
ஸோ ஒரு 2 பாயிண்ட் சொன்னது மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் ஒர்க் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் சார்.